chat settings. If you press on the chat settings, let me put myself in here. At first on the three dots, create a new theme, reset to default. If you have mistake, you can press on the reset to default, or no, if you want to create a new theme for yourself and is another way of customize, you can press on that and again press on the create theme. Okay, enter the theme name. For example, I type Reza's theme. If you want to add a space on it, it is good, and I press on the create. Right now we have a custom theme for ourselves. If you press on this, you can change the colors. For example, window background white, you can change the color of that. I press on the cancel. In here you have lots of options. Okay, for example, if you want to change the text, you can press in here, change the color of the text. Okay, I choose for example this color and press on the save. Okay, but if you don't like it, you can press and again press on the default. Okay, this is the same of the Telegram. Okay, you can change everything on it. You can change the colors of the phones, colors of the messages, colors of the notifications. All of the things are related in there. So if you don't like a color, or if you want to have a custom Telegram, you can go in here and change it. Okay, for example, set this as red. Chat in reply name text is red, or no, it's orange. Right now it is red. Okay, if you don't like it, you can press on the default. It's an editor, color editor of the Telegram, theme editor, color editor. I press on the close. This is the theme. Message text size. If by default it is on 16, if you increase it, you will see this preview in here that it will show the messages, the font text, it will be large. I don't like that, so I set it as a default. If you want to change the background, change chat background, press in here and choose another background. You can choose it from the Telegram themes that are available, and you can select that from the gallery or set a color. In here is the select from the gallery, in here set a color, and these are the Telegram other backgrounds which Telegram by default added to its application, but right now because I have a bit internet connection problem, we can't see them. We can see them like this, and they are not going to be fully downloaded. If you press set a color, you can choose for example this, and it will be your background color. And if you press on set background, again let me choose this one, set background, it means that it is going to be set on the background. Pattern, we have pattern in here. If you press on the pattern, you can again change this color. Telegram have lots of options, lots of cool things for the creatives. For example, you can change it, you can change the gradient, you can change the intensity of it, and lots of other things that you can do to customize the single color of that. If you press on this, it will be reloaded and you will see another preview on the colors. You can customize again the colors. For example, this one is going to be red, another one is going to be white, this one is going to be is going to be again red, and this purple is going to be blue. And in here you can change the opacity or the color range of that. Is light blue right now for me, and I have another custom background image. If you press on set background, it will be set on your background. And if you press on this forward icon, it's going to be forward to the save messages. And if you press on the next or the icon, it's going to be forward to the save messages. This is the background, this is the chat background. And in here we have again other options. Okay, if you want, for example, choose this Telegram default. These are the Telegram default themes that are created. For example, this one, okay, or this one. We have lots of templates in here. For example, this Christmas tree, this game, or this one. I don't know which of them is my default. I think this one was my default, I don't know. In here you have switch to day mode. If you press on it, right now we are on the day mode, and this is on the night mode. Night mode is better for our eyes. If you press on browse themes, you can see another option of the Telegram. For example, I choose this one. There's a chicken or hen, I don't know. In here you can customize it again. You can press this one, the color it will be changed, or again if you want to select this, you'll see the details of that. Okay, it is a night, and these are all of the things about this thing. I told the switch to day I told the switch to day mode. In here, message corners. What is the message corners? Let me bring this. Okay, this, for example, a AirPod headset AirPod headset box for charging. If you see it, it is not a rectangle or it's not a square. Okay, because it has corners. It's not a complete square, I mean, because in here, as you can see, it has corners. This is a corner. It's not a sharp square. It has corners to make it look like better. And these are corners. It says message corners. For example, if you set low, it will be look like a square or rectangle on the messages. In here you have chat list view. It says 2 lines, 3 lines. What is it about? On the chat list of your main account on the Telegram, when you have groups and channels, by default it is 2 lines. If you press on the 3 line, let me choose this one, brush, we have 2 lines. This is the name of the channel, this is the description, this is the channel icon or channel profile. If you set it on the 3 lines, it's not the channel, only channel. Groups, accounts, contacts, they are going to be shown on the 2 lines. Okay, when you choose 3 lines, what happens? This is the profile logo, this is the channel name. In here we have the about, and we will see the last messages on the 3rd line. There is a difference between 2 lines and 3 lines. In here we have app icon. By default it is the normal icon of the Telegram. You can choose another one, for example aqua. Your app icon, it will be changed. Telegram, it has lots of things, lots of options, lots of things to customize it for yourself, and it's on another world. I can just say it is super Waldorf. Chat list swipe, it is change forever, delete, mute, archive, read. For example, if you swipe a chat or a group or an account, I will show it into you. For example, there's a chat, I put my finger and swipe it. Here's the swipe, like swipe. It says change folder. If you want to delete, it will be appear. Mute, it will be appear. Archive, it will be appear. Read, it will be appear. Pin, it will be appear. By default it is change folder, so I don't change it. Animations, if you press on the animations, you will see right now the power saving mode is off, and if you have low battery, for example when you blow on the 10%, okay, or for example 95%, what it will be happen to you, and you can customize it. For example, on the 95%, these stickers, it will be appear for you, but my power saving mode is on. I need to turn that off. Okay, in here press on always disable is disabled for us. In here we have animated the stickers. As we see, we have animated emojis, the videos, gifs that they are animated, and if the power saving is on, you can't see the animated, and it is because of saving battery of the phone. And if you don't like them, it's not matter that is power saving or not. Okay, for example, if you don't like to see animated stickers, disable them. Okay, it's not just about the power saving. You can customize it for yourself. For example, you don't want, when you go to a chat, you'll see animated stickers which is say hi. You don't want to see that. Okay, these are the options that are in here. Animations, stickers and emoji. If you press on that, You'll see archive stickers. Right now we don't have any stickers, so Telegram shows us the stickers that the users created, and if you like them you can add them and it will be added into your playlist. For example, I press on the egg dog and it will be added into my playlist. A sticker archive, not playlist. I don't know why I say that. On the emoji, what is the emoji? Suggested animated emoji is enabled for us. If you don't like that, you can disable it. In here you will see trending emoji packs and they are all lock. Okay, if you press on the unlock, you need to buy the premium version of the Telegram, so they are locked for us. If you press on show more emoji, you'll see another list of the emojis that are going to be locked for us, and we need to buy the Telegram premium to unlock them. Large emoji, quick reaction. Quick reaction by default it is like. Okay, if you want to set fire on the quick reaction, by default if you go on a message, let me put myself in here. You're on a message. If you put your thumb into a message like this, like I'm doing, and it's going to paint it, in here you will see by default fire right now, not the like. If you like line click, you'll see other reactions. This is a quick reaction. This is the suggest stickers by emoji. If you press on it, you can all sets, mute sets, and none. Large emoji, if you don't want to use large emoji, you can disable it. For example, if you send a single emoji on the Telegram, it will be showing on large mode. If you don't like that, you can disable the large emoji in here. Dynamic pack order, if you want to disable it, it will not going to be show you the dynamic pack and the order of bits. And below of that you will see my sticker sets. I have egg dog and hot cherry. Egg dog it has 20 stickers and hot cherry it has 31. If you press on the three dots, you can share them. You can reorder them, reorder the arrangement of these stickers. You can copy the link, you can archive it, and you can have remove. If you press on remove the sticker, it will be removed for you. Okay, all done. This is the stickers and emoji. Right now we have lots of other settings in here. Auto night mode, it is off. If you press on the on, it detects by your alarm clock, or not the alarm clock, your clock, and it finds out it is day or it is night, and it will be switching on the day mode and night mode. In-app browser, open external links in the app. What does it mean? If you press on a link on the Telegram, okay, it's not going to be open on the Chrome. It's going to be open with the Telegram application, and it says in-app browser. Okay, this is the browser of the Telegram. If you disable it, it will be open the links on the Chrome. What is the direct share? Show recent chats in Android share menu. It will be saying that if it is your share menu, you will see recent chats on the top orders. This is the meaning of the direct share. Raise to listen, it is enabled. Okay, it is on the group calls, voice calls, and it says I need to show them on that part, so we skip from it. It says pause music while recording, it is disabled. Okay, when you play music on the Telegram, it will be automatically pause the music and you record it. After that you can hear your voice, but if you play or press on the record button, you can hear the music and you can record, but the music it won't be recorded with the Telegram microphone. This is a good option of the Telegram. Microphone for voice messages is built in. It is your default phone. If you press on it, you can change it. Okay, you can set it as headset if connected. Right now I connect my microphone into my phone, so if I set a voice or record a voice, it's going to be recorded with my microphone, not my default built-in microphone which is on my phone. These 10 units, it is automatic. Okay, what does it mean? There's a difference between kilometers and miles. Okay, some of the countries use miles, some of them use kilometers. It depends on your country and your location. Automatic, it detects it for you automatic. I tell everything about the chat settings. Okay, chat settings is done.